What's up, y'all? Vega's Quick Meals, episode 3, athletes. This one's for you. After your workout, you're leaving school, it's 5 or 6 p.m., it's taco night. You can do this by yourself. It's gonna take you 10 minutes, and you're gonna have a delicious, nutritious, healthy meal. And to fuel you, refuel from the workout, prepare you for tomorrow's workout. Remember, we fuel up the night before. All right, make sure we're doing this in season, post season, preseason, all season, all year long. This is taco night. Here we go. So I'm gonna start with the onion first. We're gonna actually cut through this, the outside, and I want to go vertically. So I'm going with both sides. We got the almost like the stem here. So I'm gonna go straight down. I grab the outsides. I'm gonna go straight down through the middle like that. Then what I'm gonna do, I like to put this down on the flat side. I like to cut the bottom off all the way through all the layers, the outside covering of it. Then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. The next step from here is we wanna peel off all the way down till we feel like we have like a leathery piece of the onion, and we're gonna take that off with our fingers. And we're gonna go all the way. Might have to use your nail a little bit. So we're gonna go through. Now, boom. Now my onion's good to start cutting up. Since we're doing tacos today, I'm just gonna go vertically, straight down, just like this, all the way through. So I'm gonna start here, and then I move over a little bit, just like that. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. So as you can see, this onion's gonna have like little strands, just like that. That's what I want for my tacos today. I don't want any small pieces. So I got my onion. I'm only gonna use half today. Boom. And then I'm gonna cut the pepper up. Get a nice big cutting board like this. Let's go back to what we practiced on the last episode. Cut the top off. Do the U shape, peel out, pull out the seeds. So, actually, you know what? Maybe for the pepper I will. Once I get to this part, I'm just gonna go straight down. Boom, boom, boom. Keep going, boom. All right, I'm gonna make small pieces for the pepper. So I go front, back. Boom, just like that. We got that prepped. Next step, I'm gonna keep it on medium-high heat. First thing, olive oil. Second thing, okay, I'm gonna cut up my organic ground beef, okay, 85/15. I'm gonna use scissors. Boop. Drop this down. Bam. All right. My spatula, so I'm gonna push down into it, start to break up the meat a little bit. All right, now I have that broken up. First thing I always do, athletes, first thing we add, always, we're gonna add our salt. Don't forget, need the salt. Bam, bam, bam. Then I'm gonna go to my second favorite ingredient, the pepper. We got our pepper. And then today, since we're doing tacos, we're gonna be using this seasoning. I got this from the store, pretty simple. It actually has ingredients and directions on the back, but what I'm gonna do is, once the meat's browned, I'm gonna throw this in with 3/4 of a cup of water, and it's gonna get nicey nice. So once the meat's browned up, just toss it around. Guys, these tacos take literally 10 minutes. 10-minute tacos, okay? 10-minute tacos. My onions now. So I'm gonna grab a handful Grab my handful. I'm gonna put them on to the side here. Onions on that side, meat on this side. Then I'll start to combine this stuff when I throw in the taco seasoning. Pull open the seasoning packet. Boop. Just like that. And I'm gonna sprinkle this all throughout. Boom. Next step. Okay, I have my 3/4 of a cup of water. Just make sure you get one of these glass measuring cups, and I'm gonna pour that on here. Okay, just like that. And now this is gonna start to get a nice consistency. Okay, I'm gonna turn the heat up just a little bit. And now I'm gonna start to mix in the seasoning with the water and the onions, because Nida and I love onions. All right. If you don't like onions, then don't put them in the pan. Now I just have to clean some of this stuff up. So I'm gonna throw this in the garbage, all of this stuff. The number one thing about this, athletes living at home, I know your parents, mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, want their kitchen clean. So make sure you guys are cleaning up as you're cooking. As you cook, clean up.
Your wife tells you.
And if you got a wife at home, you know how she wants it. I'm gonna add my peppers to a small little bowl so we can toss that on when we're ready to eat. Onion, I'm gonna save for another day. So I'll put it in my Tupperware, my onion, leftover onion. So next time I cook, I can just cut that up. Clean up as I go, just so you guys can see my area. Just about empty. This is cooking. Last couple things. I have my tortillas, okay? So the brand I'm using the Mission brand. Babe, you want me to heat these up or just eat them like they are? Yeah, right? Yeah. As you can see, the meat's cooking. Bam, bam. 10-minute tacos. 10 minutes. Couple extra ingredients. Just toppings for the tacos. We like the cheese. Can't go wrong with these. Athletes, great fiber. Pop it in. Twist it around. Simple, nicey nice. Bam, bam, bam. Again, we always gotta wash the beans. Just like that. My beans in the pan. And that is it. And that's it, y'all. Now it's nice glaze. And here we have it. Prepare your eyes for the final result. Got my 10-minute tacos, y'all. Throw these on top of each one. Got the taco meat. And we have our tortillas, y'all. Athletes, bam, bam, slam a jam. And if you don't have the taco seasoning, just add a little salt, pepper, get out some hot sauce, whatever you need. All right, y'all, that's it. Vega's Quick Meals, episode 3.